How to use Sonic's abilities to win races. First of all, open the game on your device and tap on the character icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the skills section. Here you will see several abilities such as Charge Blast, Bubble Shield, Tail Twister, Energy Ball and many more. You can preview each ability by tapping on it and then tap Test to try it out in action. This allows you to understand how each ability works and how it can help you win races more efficiently. Experiment with different abilities to find a combination that best suits your racing style. Using the right abilities at the right time can give you an edge over opponents and maximize your performance in every race. Combine abilities strategically during races, like using Bubble Shield to avoid obstacles or Charge Blast for speed boost. Pay attention to each race's layout and challenges to decide which abilities will give you the most advantage. Now you know how to use Sonic's abilities to win races. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.